My God, who let it come out the house like that? I'm finna turn up a salon like that. OMG, what does she have on? Her lace front is all right. Give me some. I'm gonna take this separate picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. What is gonna punch her in her face? I can't stand her. Oh, she too fake. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Miss. My baby boy, and it came with his sister. Yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club. And the baby with the flow. Where's you? Where's all? I had to get cute today. Baby, really cute today. Moves like welcome, baby, just maybe. I was gonna get cute today. Girl, did you get the blue? Yeah, gone blue. Move, sorry, like my body got, then I got my food, stab moves, move, brand new chat right here. Got it for this video plus that. Bow, but then when I was a little fake, but down, maybe do this can't alone. Won't do better than I am, was saying you think about whatever. Shall I? More bye. Be quiet. Hey girl. Oh, you look good. Let me see that. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Wow. OMG, what does she have on? My phone is all wrong. Give me phone. I'm gonna take this half a picture. Got it. I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. But not with them shoes on. Do I just want to punch it in the face? I can't stand. Oh, she too fat. You know, these men, like my girlfriend's call me John. You know, nothing like that. Let's get my boom story. Things bad, but you will be sorry. Cause two changes my future, baby daddy. I love you, I wish you to dress up. And the baby that's wrong. And skin. She don't like the red bones. On my Facebook and follow me on Twitter. Green this brown team round it don't shut up. Dennis team I'm team bad shit. Team with your man. I'm gonna do I'm very spit it on me. Cause you a ratchet. I said it. Yeah. Whatever. OMG, what do she have on? Her lace front is out, bro. I'm gonna take this here for a picture. Got it? I'm gonna put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Bro, bye. Not with them shoes on. What is gonna punch her in the face? I can't stand her. Oh, she too fat. Girls with leopard skins.